Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to show you my personal favorite Jayco Class C, the Greyhawk 27U. Here we are on the interior of the 27U. First, I'd like to mention this is on the Ford E450 chassis with the new 7.3-liter V8 motor. And this also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One of the things that makes Jayco really special is the fact that you can put 750 pounds up on the top bed. Industry standard is only 300 pounds. Another thing that makes this really special is the fact that it's got dual AC, dual 15,000 BTU AC that can run off 30 amp. It's got a smart computer management system that allows both ACs to run off 30 amp. Also, really nice layout. This has got the optional theater seating that are facing the dinette. The front seats are spin around again, so you can actually have a really good group of friends here having a conversation. Another thing that makes this unit really special is the fact that it's got a king-size bed and lots of storage. As I was saying, lots of storage. This, by the way, is the privacy curtain that goes in the window, magnetic, and that is the ladder for the top bunk. You can add a TV there if you want, and more storage. Everything about Jayco is real plywood. This also helps us give you double the warranty of anybody else. 2-year on the whole coach, 3-year structural, plus the Ford warranties that come for the chassis, engine, and gearbox. The Greyhawk 27U retails for $186,000. However, for our 60th anniversary here at Worldwide RV, we're having it discounted at $117,741. Amazing price. Come check it out in person. Again, this is Raul at Worldwide RV.